Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another part of 20 Days of Cutfiles with Confessions of a Paper Addict. We're on day 10 and the prompt today is white background. So I've ran out of big background papers for this 49th and Market collection, and I have the lovely new release. Actually, it was a freebie. I believe is a freebie. This stained glass, there's one that's not and there's one that is. So make sure you go check out the Facebook group and grab this freebie if you so choose. I cut it twice out of black cardstock. This is the floral stained glass, I believe. Yes. And it is a freebie today, or this month, during the hop, essentially. And I thought, what a good way to back this than with the soft, like, pattern, subtle pattern from 49th and Market. So my plan is to take this pattern and back as much of the glass pieces as I can. I'm hoping I can get all of it out of there. And then do the flowers in the red. I don't know if I'll do the red cardstock, but for sure this red pattern, which is, yeah, I have more of it somewhere. I used some of it for something. So I was going to do the flowers in the red and then this glass and all this soft viney stuff. So that is my plan. And the prompt is white background. So then we'll have a white background, a lovely photo of my in-laws with all 3 of their grandchildren from 2014. So that would be good. Kind of just pair them in there. Ooh, and if I plan it right, I can just avoid backing it where I don't need it. So I gotta get a piece of paper. I gotta get some other things organized, but that is the plan. So let me do some things off camera and we'll check back in with you. Look how pretty these turned out. I think they look gorgeous. I think I left these parts backed because they will be covered by my photo, which I have double matted in red and then a candy cane stripe. I think what we'll do is we'll glue these together and we're gonna put it all on foam. And it's supposed to be white background, but I wanna use these branding strips because one, they're here. So I think I'll cut this red and candy cane stripe one off here, and we'll just layer these 2 down at the bottom. And we'll have the windows kind of sit right on top there. And then I think what we'll do is we'll take a very pale green. I'm thinking like shabby shutters. And I'm just gonna ink blend behind, and then I'll splatter as well, just to give kind of a glow behind. And then I just have to pick out a title, but I love this. This looks really nice. So let me get this trimmed. Let's do that. And I'm going to cut it a little bit smaller than what it is, just because I kind of trimmed it there. And let's only take the tiniest bit off. Let's not do very much. Should we just do like a 1/4 inch? And then it'll just be the thinnest black border. Oh shoot, I should have put the candy cane stripes down first. There we go. I want to do something like picture perfect or something to that effect for the title. It's all one piece. Okay, close enough. Yep. There. And now they are all one. That'll rest right there. Perfect. All right, let's get a little bit of green glow going. And I think this Shabby Shutters will be the perfect green. Just the lightest. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Pick that up a little. There we go. Giant blob. Because it can't just be stark white. I can't do that. All right, while this dries, I'm gonna go find the rest of the collection. I'm pretty sure there were a few embellishments left. See, and I'm gonna pick out some alphas for my title or find alphas for my title. I kind of just want to do picture perfect. Or just Merry Christmas, I guess, too, something along those lines. So I'm gonna go pick out title, stickers, alphas, whatever, and clean up my mess, let that dry, and we'll finish. Welcome back, you guys. I did some things while I was being impatient while it was drying. So while this was drying, I did go grab the ephemera I got in my scrap room kit for this collection, and I decided to do a few things. So I had this inside of a label I put there. I had this tag that says It's a Wonderful Life. I did one rub-on because I felt like I needed a balance of some kind. I did have this Merry Christmas chipboard down here, but then I realized this actually isn't at Christmas. This picture is from Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna change it to Happy Holidays, but I didn't like just the plain white over there, and I ripped part of my photo because I actually glued it down. So we're gonna I decided to use this frame, and I kind of wanted to use the frame anyway because I was trying to figure out how I could use it. So I just put some foam down because this is only paper, and this is a little chipboard frame. And so then this is just gonna say Happy Holidays, which I like that because then it brings some of this green to the corner. I did the 2 branding strips down here. I did cut a very thin chunk that was left of this branding strip and put it at the top just to give it some balance, and I'm really liking that. It just was looking too like blank, and it was throwing me off, and couldn't figure out why. It's because I can't do just clean, simple layouts. This is relatively clean and simple for my style. Doesn't take away the stained glass look or anything. Yeah, I like that. Something I kind of wish. I normally am not a gem person, but I kind of wish I had some red gems. Let me look. And I've been watching City Scrapper a lot lately. Her stuff's just been coming on my feed a lot lately, and she does the most amazing things with pearls and gems. I'm just like astounded. But gems just seem like the right idea. And then we've got these pearlescent ones. I've got, yeah, these ones that are just like iridescent. Ooh, but I happen to have some beautiful red sequins right here instead of in my sequin bin that I could use. What are these? What are these? Oh, yes! I knew I had some. They're a little sticky. Just that little bit of sparkle. Do I need some right here? Like I said, I'm not normally a gem person, but these were speaking to me. I have no idea where that one went. I'll find that a different day. Oh, I see it. I see it. There. I love it. All right. That's it. That's all I'm doing. So here is prompt white background. So make sure you check out the Facebook group. You have until the 19th in US time, 20th New Zealand to use the 25% off discount in the shop and get the freebies and hop along with everybody down below, you guys. We appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Bye.